Fully active. That is it, people. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M the R. This is Cook and Vibe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing and hit that like button. Get the video quickly moving. You understand? That is it. Today, people, we are going to be making a Jamaican fruit salad. That is it, people. Yeah, so what I'm going to be using for my Jamaican fruit salad, I thought, right, what is the most popular fruits that I can think of in Jamaica? The first one that comes to mind is a mango. Mango is very, very popular in Jamaica, so I thought that's definitely going to have to be in it. Also, pineapple. Pineapple, I always see pineapple anytime I'm in Jamaica. Anytime I stop at a little fruit store on the side of the road, I see pineapple. You know what I'm saying? So we got mango, we got pineapple. Also, what I'm going to be putting in there is a June plum. Very, specific to Jamaica. Don't know where else in the world you get June plum. I think they call it something else in different parts of Asia and stuff like that. But Jamaican June plum. You know what I'm saying? So we got that to go in there as well. And we have got a kneesberry. Yeah, we've even got the little kneesberry tree that we brought back from Jamaica. So hopefully in a couple years, people, this tree here will be giving us some nice kneesberries. I don't know whether it will grow in the UK, but seems to be a very strong plant. So we've got the kneesberry. So that is what we're going to be putting into today's Jamaican fruit salad, people. That is it. So the first thing we're going to be cutting is the pineapple. Yeah, so let's set this. I can put the little kneesberry in this little plant. I've got that here just to make me feel better because it's winter time. It's cold outside. I want a little piece of like a vibration. You understand? Yeah. So pineapple first. Yeah. That is it. Chop off the end. And then we're just gonna slice off the peel like so. Yes, people, I've just washed the top of the pineapple because I feel like we can use that as presentation. You know what I'm saying? So we've got the pineapple here now. Now what I'm gonna do is just to get these last little bits off, I'm just gonna dig it out like that. See it there? Let's get out them last little. See it there? That is it. Yes, people, I hope everyone's all right. So basically, I just wanted to let you all know that I'm gonna be uploading a lot more. It's instead of like once or twice a week, it's gonna be like pretty much every other day. Yeah, I'm taking Cook and Vibe very, very seriously this year, people. So if you're a subscriber, someone who enjoys the channel, you're definitely gonna have a good year with Cook and Vibe because we are fully active. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. We've pretty much got rid of most of the little outside bits now. Chop off that bit there. And I think for one last cut, people. There we go. Oh, no, we need a little bit on the side there. That good. And yeah. Next one, people, mango. You don't know, mango is everywhere in Jamaica, especially in places like Portland. Anytime I'm in like Portland, them places there, you just come out, there's just mangoes all over the floor, absolutely everywhere. So mangoes are a definite, 100% has to be in a Jamaican fruit salad, you know what I'm saying? So a peel a mango is a bit mad still, because if I went to like peel it, it's a bit mad. Like there's certain rules in this thing, you understand? You don't peel a mango with a knife. I'll show you how you peel a mango. That is how you peel it, and you just continue to go around until, you know what I'm saying? That's it, because you can't use a knife to peel a mango. That's mad. But yeah, that is it. Then you can just peel off the rest. Obviously, this is if you're, you know. So you just peel off the rest, people. That is it. Put this skin in a bin. And how are we going to cut this? I think we're just going to cut this into nice strips, actually. We're going to add our little mango slices into our fruit salad. 2 there. 2 there. Let me get some better bits. That is it. Let me scroll around a little bit. Good vibes. And one more bit. There we go. That is it. Mango and pineapple ready. June plum. I absolutely love a June plum. And the reason why I like getting a June plum in England as well is because it's a very specific Jamaican fruit. And like I say, I know you can get it other places in the world, but you know, it takes me back to Jamaica. Every time I taste that June plum taste, it's like a soury, well, you can get them sour or sweet. Some people put salt on it when they're not so ripe. But it's just like a really like a gooseberry plum. It's like a gooseberry plum type flavor. But yeah, June plum, really, really nice. Could have been done with a little bit more ripe, but you know what? Everything is good. But we are gonna peel this one with the knife, people. People, there is the June plum with no skin on it. So it's got like kind of like stem kind of things in there. So I'm just gonna chop it up in any which way I can kind of feel. Chop it up into little chunks like that, I think. Yeah. But you see it there? See these little bits, you want to kind of avoid them still. Well, avoid eating them anyway. I'm just going to chop these up, people, into like little small squares, like so. And the last thing, people, is the kneesberry. Sapodilla, I think some people call it. This is, I know I keep saying it, this is my kneesberry tree. Say hello. Hopefully it survives. I reckon this will actually grow because it's survived so well. It's a very hardy plant. So kneesberry again, very specific to Jamaica. I know they grow other places around the world, but it's one of the staples in Jamaica's fruit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if staple is the right word, but it tastes like caramel. I call it caramel fruit because that's what it tastes like. It's really cool looking inside as well. So I think with this one, I think we're just going to peel off the skin and cut it, and yeah, and do it like that. Taking off the rest of this skin. delicately because it's a very delicate fruit. So I don't want to cut too far into it, you know. Problem is I can't tell the difference between the colour of the skin, people, and the actual flesh. I think that's it still. Yeah. So let's go for, I think I'm just gonna cut this in two for the fruit salad. Cut round this, as you can see in the middle, that is what it looks like. And you got a little pip there, get rid of that. And now the pips come out of there, it's just one pip in that. Isn't it? There you go, kneesberry. Good vibes. There we go, people. Just gonna put that on there, that on there. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna fill up the sides with the June plum. You know what I'm saying? Filling up this last little corner here. That is it. A good vibes, a good, nice, healthy plate of tropical Jamaican fruit. That is it. There you go, people. A good vibes. There is my Jamaican fruit salad, people. Let's have a little try of the June plum. Yeah. That sweety, soury, got like a sharpness to it. Plummy, gooseberry. We all know what pineapple tastes like. Every time I eat pineapple, I forget how much I like it. Amazing. Let's get a little bit of mango. Good. Definitely not as good as the actual ones from Jamaica, but you don't know. And then let's go for the kneesberry. Caramel. Thought it was a bit of skin, there was, but I ate it. Oh, it's amazing. Such a different tasting fruit. Goodbye, people. That is it. Listen. Quick one today. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you very, very soon. Again, it's not going to be 1 or twice a week. It's going to be every other day. I'm going to be uploading a load more shorts as well. You get me? Fully active. If you haven't hit that like button, do it quick and fast. Done though, people. I'll see you next time.